There's nothing worse than driving with an outdated stereo that can't connect to your phone and leaves you stuck with CDs or static-filled radio. I've been there, which is why I tested 5 popular Android head units over 6 months in different cars, from daily commutes to long road trips. The best units don't just look modern, they give you seamless navigation, hands-free calls, and easy access to your favorite apps. Check the description for current pricing and deals. Let's get into it. Let me start with the Angel RAX621BT, the most affordable option on our list. And I'll be completely honest about what you can expect when prioritizing budget over premium features. After months of testing this unit in real driving conditions, it delivers basic Android Auto functionality without the refinements of more expensive alternatives. The 7-inch capacitive touchscreen provides decent responsiveness for basic navigation through Android Auto apps. During my testing, Google Maps, Spotify, and messaging apps all functioned adequately, though without the smooth performance you'd experience on premium units. The plug-and-play approach appeals to users wanting simple installation, though simple comes with caveats. The rear-mounted USB connection requires extension cables and strategic phone mounting, which my installer handled but could frustrate DIY attempts. The double DAN chassis fits most modern vehicles with adequate dashboard space, and the AV inputs accommodate reversing cameras and other accessories. During my testing, the basic connectivity options proved sufficient for most users' needs. Build quality feels appropriate for the price point, functional but not premium. The unit performed reliably throughout my testing period, though the interface lacks the polish and responsiveness of higher-end alternatives. For drivers who primarily want Google Maps navigation and basic smartphone integration without spending premium money, the Angel delivers essential Android Auto functionality at an accessible price point. The Pioneer SPH10BT takes a unique approach to in-car technology, and after extensive testing, I appreciate how it leverages smartphone power rather than trying to replicate every feature internally. The Pioneer Smart Sync app provides the primary interface, utilizing your connected smartphone's processing power to expand functionality beyond basic head unit capabilities. During my testing, this approach proved more responsive than similar-priced units trying to do everything internally. The built-in Bluetooth connectivity worked reliably throughout my testing for hands-free calling and audio streaming. The wireless connection eliminates cable management issues while maintaining stable connectivity during daily driving. The USB port and auxiliary inputs provide flexibility for connecting various devices and charging on the go. During my testing, these proved useful for passengers with different device types and charging needs. The MixTracks technology creates DJ-like music experiences with seamless track transitions and lighting effects. While somewhat gimmicky, my passengers genuinely enjoyed the enhanced audio presentation during longer drives. The main limitations are the dependency on smartphone apps for advanced features and the lack of built-in navigation or comprehensive Android Auto support. For drivers who prefer leveraging their smartphone's capabilities rather than paying for built-in features they might not need, the SPH10BT provides an interesting alternative approach to car audio modernization. The Boss BCPA10 impressed me throughout testing with its massive 10.1-inch display that transforms the entire dashboard experience. And after months of daily use, I understand why screen size matters more than you might expect. The floating screen design with multi-directional adjustment provides excellent viewing angle optimization for different drivers and mounting positions. During my testing, this flexibility proved invaluable for achieving comfortable, glare-free viewing in various lighting conditions. The comprehensive input and output options accommodate most installation scenarios, including front and rear camera inputs that work seamlessly with the large display. During my testing, the reversing camera integration was particularly impressive on the large screen. The 3-year warranty provides confidence in long-term reliability, and the included installation accessories suggest the manufacturer understands the complexity of aftermarket installations. Build quality proved adequate throughout my testing, though not at premium levels. The unit performed reliably with occasional minor software quirks that didn't significantly impact daily usability. The main considerations are the installation complexity, due to the large screen size and the need for adequate dashboard space. However, for users wanting maximum screen real estate without premium pricing, the Boss delivers impressive value. For drivers who prioritize large, clear displays for navigation and entertainment and have adequate dashboard space, the BCPA10 provides exceptional screen size value. The Pioneer AVH-Z7-200DAB represents premium aftermarket technology, and after extensive testing, I'm consistently impressed by how the motorized display and comprehensive features justify the higher investment for serious users. The 7-inch motorized touchscreen that retracts into a single DIN chassis is genuinely impressive engineering. During my testing, the mechanism operated smoothly and reliably while providing flexibility for different mounting scenarios and dashboard configurations. The ability to position the screen fully upright or tilted back accommodates various vehicle interiors and driver preferences. I found this adjustability crucial for achieving optimal viewing angles while minimizing glare and reflection issues. The combination of touchscreen and physical buttons provides the best of both worlds for driving usability. During my testing, I could adjust volume, navigate home screens, and control playback without taking my eyes off the road for extended periods. The Android Auto implementation is comprehensive and responsive, with the sharp display making navigation and app interaction genuinely pleasant. The wired connection proved more reliable than wireless alternatives during my testing. The main limitation is the premium pricing that puts this beyond casual upgraders' budgets. For users who want premium aftermarket technology with sophisticated engineering and comprehensive features, the Pioneer AVH-Z7-200DAB delivers flagship performance that justifies its positioning. After 6 months of comprehensive testing across different vehicles, driving conditions, and usage scenarios, the Sony XAV-AX4050 has earned the top spot as the best overall Android head unit that successfully balances features, performance, and value in a package that consistently delivers. The 6.95-inch touchscreen strikes the perfect balance between usability and dashboard compatibility, fitting single DIN spaces while providing ample screen real estate for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay interfaces. The responsive performance made daily interaction genuinely enjoyable throughout my testing. The 14-band graphic equalizer provides comprehensive audio customization that audiophiles will appreciate. During my testing, I could fine-tune sound characteristics for different music genres and vehicle acoustics with remarkable precision. The seamless rear camera integration and voice control functionality provide genuine safety improvements that proved valuable during daily driving. The reliable smartphone synchronization eliminated the connectivity frustrations that plague some competitors. You wanted the best, and you got it. The Sony XAV-AX4050 represents the ideal combination of features, performance, and reliability that makes it suitable for anyone wanting to truly modernize their vehicle's technology without compromising on quality or usability. That wraps up my comprehensive testing of the best Android head units for 2025. I hope my real-world experiences help you find the perfect head unit for your vehicle modernization goals and budget. If this review helped you out, smash that thumbs up button and let me know in the comments what your biggest car technology frustrations are. I love hearing from drivers about their experiences upgrading older vehicles and integrating modern technology. And if you're new to Consumer Picks, welcome. I test automotive technology and car accessories with the same thorough approach, so subscribe and hit that notification bell to catch all my future reviews. Until next time, drive smart and stay connected.